In the last few weeks, there has been panic surrounding the Waka Waka expert advisor. I even saw some posts about a significant drawdown, and indeed it did occur. But let me show you the drawdown in the vendor's account and in my live account, and I will explain exactly what happened. So that's my live account with the Waka Waka expert advisor that I have with Eightcap. You can see that the total profit in a $3,000 account is $55.45. And I know many will say that's too little profit, but stay with me. If I show you the entire history, you'll see that I had plenty of trades. That account started on the 27th of February this year. I have funded the account, and since that time it's been trading fully automatically. Now the post says that the last week the main Waka Waka account suffered a significant drawdown. It wouldn't be transparent or realistic to celebrate Waka's milestones and not to address important events like this one, so it's covered in full. So Waka Waka has been one of the most profitable expert advisors I have ever seen, and it celebrates milestones all the time for number of profitable months, for percentage growth. If I show you the vendor's account, you will see that the gain is above 8,000%, and that is a fully verified account with live updates. Now it's true that it suffered a drawdown. Look at that. With the very recent drawdown right in here, there was a huge drop in the percentage. So from 8.2-ish% it dropped down to 6.3. My FX book tracked this drawdown as 58%, and for the beginners this means that the equity dropped in half from what was available in the account. And if I show you lower, you will see in the history the trade. So the Waka Waka kept on buying the New Zealand cat, and it increased the lots to 0.64. So there was a drop in the equity, but eventually the last trade recovered all of the losses. And this is how the grid martingale systems work. So if it keeps buying but the price drops, it will buy again, but it will increase the lot, then it will buy again, it will increase the lot, and eventually one trade will recover all of these losses. Is this risky? Of course it is risky, but it's a matter of how you are trading such expert advisors. If I show you the track record of my live account, you will see that the balance looks really steady going upwards, but if I switch to equity, you will notice this drawdown. So the balance is the blue line, but the equity is the red line, and you see that it dropped down to 2,744, which is actually less than 10%. So this is why I said it is important how you trade these expert advisors. If I go back to my MetaTrader terminal and I show you the expert properties, you will see that I am trading 0.01 for every 1,500 in my balance. The deposit load is 0.25, and if I scroll lower, you will see some more of the inputs that I have. But with these settings, my drawdown was less than 10%. The vendor had 50%, and this is why I said again, it's not about if it's risky, it's about how you trade it, how risky you will make it yourself. Obviously, if you chase bigger profits with grid systems, you are exposing your account to a risk. As well, when you're trading with such expert advisors, the broker is important. I have decided to use Eightcap here because if I show you the spread column, you will see that I have 16-17 point spread for Aussie New Zealand. Aussie cat sits at 22, but if I show you the commissions, you will see that I pay pay no commissions with Eightcap, so a little bit higher spread without commissions. I have tested Waka Waka on plenty of brokers, plenty of prop firms and funded accounts, as you know if you've been following me for some time, but I found out that such expert advisors work really well with Eightcap. As well, the broker is fully regulated. You can see all of the regulations on the bottom, and they offer plenty of instruments to trade with. I've been using it the most on Forex and gold, as well as indices, but I'll leave a link down below in the description to Eightcap so you can test the broker with a demo or a live account. And if I show you the website, you will see that, yep, one of the milestones is 8,100% in 5 years, and it has not had a losing month since 2018. You can test the expert advisor for free, which is super cool, so you can open a demo account with Eightcap, for example, and test Waka Waka for free. However, if I show you the price, you will see that currently it sits at $2,600, but if you use the link down below in the description, you will get a discount and get it for $2,340, which is still a lot, I know, but there is a reason why such expert advisors are so expensive. One more time, 8,100% in 5 years. Let me know down in the comments how many expert advisors have you seen with such results on verified real account. I'm already trading it on a live account. It really suffered a drawdown, but as I said, if you are risking very small percentage of your account, it should be all right. But it's a risky expert advisor because it uses a grid martingale system. Risky, but the risk is very well calculated, so they achieved these results in the live account since 2018. And as I always suggest, whenever you make some profits, just withdraw at least a portion of it, and at the end of the day you will enjoy the profits you make from trading. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Before you go, check out this video on my side with another expert advisor from Valerie Trading that is worth testing for free. Thanks for being my subscriber and watching until the end. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.